Ever experienced that uncomfortable burning sensation in your chest? That's heartburn. But did you know there are natural remedies you can try right at home? Heartburn, also known as acid reflux, is a common condition triggered by various factors. It could be that spicy dish you just couldn't resist or lying down too soon after a big meal. The culprit is stomach acid making a backward journey into your esophagus, causing that all too familiar discomfort. But don't worry, relief might just be in your kitchen pantry. The concept of natural remedies is simple. It's about using everyday items around you, like baking soda or apple cider vinegar, to soothe your symptoms. And the best part? They come with fewer side effects than over-the-counter medications. So, ready to put out the fire of discomfort? Let's dive into these natural remedies. First up, we have baking soda. Yes, the same thing you use in your kitchen. This humble pantry staple has a surprising application as a natural remedy for occasional heartburn. The science behind it is simple. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, has alkaline properties which make it a potent neutralizer of stomach acid. To use it, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it for rapid relief. However, while effective, baking soda should be used sparingly as overuse can lead to side effects. These can include increased thirst and stomach cramps. Also, it's important to remember this remedy is not suitable for those on a low-sodium diet. Baking soda is fast, it's effective, and chances are it's right there in your kitchen cabinet. So, baking soda can be your first line of defense. Just remember, moderation is key. Next, let's talk about milk, specifically, low-fat milk. Now you may be surprised to learn that this common household staple can actually counteract acidity. It's counterintuitive, isn't it? You think that milk, being somewhat acidic itself, would only add to the problem. But here's the twist. Milk, especially the low-fat variety, has an alkaline pH, which helps to neutralize stomach acid. However, there's a caveat. It's crucial to opt for low-fat milk. Whole milk and even 2% milk contain a good deal of fat. And fat, unfortunately, can potentially worsen heartburn symptoms. You see, fat slows down the emptying of the stomach, which can result in an increase in pressure, leading to that all-too-familiar burning sensation. So the next time you experience heartburn, consider reaching for a glass of low-fat milk. It might just provide the relief you've been looking for. Now this one might surprise you, apple cider vinegar. Yes, you heard it right. Although it's acidic in nature, apple cider vinegar can actually help with heartburn. It's all about balance. Sometimes heartburn is caused not by too much stomach acid, but rather too little. When there's inadequate acid, your stomach may overcompensate by producing more, leading to that burning sensation. So, introducing a little extra acid, like apple cider vinegar, can help restore balance and ease discomfort. But remember, always dilute it in water before consumption. Just a teaspoon in a glass of water can do the trick. Consuming it straight could harm your tooth enamel and potentially irritate your esophagus. Also, it's crucial to note that while apple cider vinegar can provide occasional relief, it's not a long-term solution. If heartburn persists, seek professional advice. It might seem counterintuitive, but sometimes a little acid can combat acid. Let's move on to some soothing and tasty remedies: ginger tea, bananas, and apples. Picture this, a cup of warm, comforting ginger tea. But it's not just any cup of tea. This is a natural remedy that's been used for centuries to soothe upset stomachs and aid digestion. Ginger contains gingerol, a substance with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. When brewed into a tea, it can help to calm the stomach, easing that unpleasant burning sensation that comes with heartburn. Plus, it's a simple remedy to prepare. Just steep fresh ginger in boiling water for about 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. But that's not all. We've got some more fruity solutions up our sleeve. Let's talk about bananas and apples. These aren't just your average snack fruits, they're also natural heartburn fighters. You see, bananas have a natural antacid effect in the body, helping to buffer against acid reflux. This is due to their high potassium content, which reduces stomach acid levels and improves overall digestive health. Meanwhile, apples can also contribute to fighting heartburn. They contain pectin, a type of fiber that absorbs stomach acid and pushes it back down into the stomach, preventing it from rising up into the esophagus. Plus, they're rich in antioxidants and vitamins that promote overall health. Now, let's bring it all together. Picture starting your day with a banana or apple, followed by a comforting cup of ginger tea. Not only are you enjoying delicious foods and beverages, but you're also supporting your digestive health in the process. So remember, the next time heartburn strikes, reach for these simple, natural remedies. Brew a cup of ginger tea, snack on a banana or apple, and see if they provide some relief. They're tasty, healthy, and could be just what your body needs. So, not only are these remedies delicious, they're also beneficial for your digestive health. Now we delve into the world of herbal teas. Imagine harnessing the power of nature in a soothing, warm cup. Herbal teas such as chamomile, licorice, and slippery elm are not just comforting beverages, but they also carry properties that can help alleviate occasional heartburn. Chamomile, known for its calming effects, may aid in reducing inflammation and balancing stomach acidity. Licorice, on the other hand, has a long history of use in traditional medicine for its soothing and coating effects on the stomach and esophagus. Lastly, we have slippery elm. This might be less known than its counterparts, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to digestive health. The inner bark of the slippery elm tree forms a slick gel when mixed with water, which can help protect the stomach lining and reduce acid reflux. So next time heartburn flares up, consider sipping on one of these soothing herbal teas. While these remedies can offer relief, let's discuss some lifestyle changes that can provide long-term help. Shifting gears to lifestyle habits, eating smaller meals more frequently can be a game changer. Instead of having 3 large meals a day, try breaking them down into 5 or 6 smaller ones. This approach prevents the stomach from becoming too full and pushing up against the lower esophageal sphincter, the muscle that keeps stomach acid from flowing into the esophagus. This change in your eating routine can significantly reduce heartburn episodes. Next up, let's talk about late-night snacking. We've all been there, raiding the fridge at midnight, succumbing to the allure of late-night treats. However, when it comes to heartburn, late-night snacking can be more foe than friend. Lying down after eating can trigger acid reflux, causing that all-too-familiar burning sensation, so, for the sake of your digestive health, it might be time to bid farewell to those midnight munchies. Moving on to another crucial aspect, stress management. Yes, stress can indeed trigger heartburn. When we're stressed, our bodies produce more stomach acid, which can lead to heartburn. Therefore, incorporating stress management techniques into your lifestyle can be incredibly beneficial. Whether it's yoga, meditation, or just a leisurely walk in the park, find what helps you unwind and make it a regular part of your routine. Lastly, remember that consistency is key. These changes won't bring about overnight results. It's about making small, consistent changes to your lifestyle and sticking to them. It's about building a healthier relationship with your body and understanding what it needs to function at its best. Remember, these lifestyle changes can be a powerful tool in managing heartburn. So take control, make these changes, and look forward to a future with fewer heartburn episodes. Heartburn can be a real discomfort, but remember, these remedies are for occasional heartburn. We've journeyed through a variety of natural solutions, from the neutralizing power of baking soda, the soothing effect of low-fat milk, to the unexpected benefit of apple cider vinegar. We've explored the calming properties of ginger tea, the protective coating offered by bananas and apples, and the soothing properties of herbal teas like chamomile, licorice, and slippery elm. But let's not forget, lifestyle changes are just as pivotal. Eating smaller meals more frequently, avoiding late-night snacks, and managing stress can all contribute to long-term relief. However, if your heartburn becomes frequent or severe, it's crucial to consult a doctor. It could be a sign of a more serious condition like GERD. Take control of your digestive health and try these natural remedies. If symptoms persist, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Your health is in your hands, and there's no better time to take action than now. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it helpful and informative, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to this channel for more videos packed with natural health and wellness tips. Your feedback matters to us, so don't hold back. Share your experiences or suggestions for heartburn remedies in the comments section below. We value your input and can't wait to hear from you. Here's to staying healthy and happy. See you in our next video. Until then, goodbye and take care. And, of nature, take the reins of your well-being. Welcome to Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda, your trusted companion in your health journey. We simplify the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, providing practical guidance to help you attain your health aspirations. Remember, good health is not a destination but a journey made less arduous by the potent remedies nature has to offer. Each herb, each root, each leaf holds the promise of wellness, and we're here to guide you in unlocking these natural secrets. So, whether you're a seasoned Ayurveda enthusiast or a curious novice, Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda is your reliable resource. Subscribe and join our community of wellness seekers. Until we meet again, stay well, stay healthy, and remember, nature is your greatest ally. Let Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda be your guide on this journey of health and wellness.